What's going on, guys? Lawn Legacy here. Today we are reviewing and opening up this RYOBI 3300 PSI gas pressure washer. It does 2.4 gallons per minute. That's how much water it consumes. Looking at the box, guys, it says we have a 212cc horizontal engine, 3 times longer runtime, extended reach. You can reach second story, guys. That's what it says. It says it comes with the handle and wand, the hose, 4 nozzles, and engine lubricant. Let's open this thing up. If we can open sesame. Come on. I don't know what they use to, it's like really strong super glue to keep this thing shut. This is what the box looks like as it's opened up. Have a couple different parts in here that we will have to put together, but this is just how it looks straight out of the box. And I believe it does look like that. Yep, that should be the wand. Take this cap off. Tighten that on. Seems pretty easy, guys, to attach the wand and the spray nozzle. Shouldn't be that bad. Install the handlebars. Does just click into place over the top. So that's super simple. Handles on. Thing on this bottom one. Okay. There's that. That is put together. We have these nozzles that we can attach to this cover plate. These just click right in. Then it also does go over what each of these nozzles are for. The blue is for soap. The white is a 40-degree angle, the green is a 25, and the pink is a 0-degree, just a straight spray nozzle. So a very high pressure spray. Check what the next step is on this thing. Number 3 is connect the spray wand, which we did already. Connect the high pressure hose to the trigger handle. So that would be this hose, guys. So use our knife here. And either side, does not matter, you can use to connect this. So this just connects in, twists. All right, there's that. Number 5, connect the high pressure hose to the pump. To the pump. That would be down on the side, I believe. Should be down here, guys. This is what it looks like it should be. Should be this little, there's a little rubber cap down at the bottom, and that threads into here. So that tightens onto there. Number 6, connect your garden hose to the pressure washer. Grab this hose, that connects right here. All right, guys, so we just added the oil the engine lubricant we were supposed to add in there. Had to take off the side wheel, tip it on its side, dump that in there. Really the only way I could find to do that. Fire it up. Come on. All right. Choke off. Okay, it was choking. Huh, I don't know why it came in choke. Let's try to... That's what the instructions just barely said for the soap function to work. So it is starting to spray some soap on here, which is good. So we'll get this thing all nice and soaked up. Alright guys, make sure you guys stop what you're doing, hit that subscribe button, like the video guys, really helps us out. We have a lot of other content on the channel guys, including free lawn transformation videos, other product reviews including our Skag Tiger Cat 2 mower, a Skag Turf Tiger 2 review, as well as a bunch of other videos guys. We're trying to bring one free lawn care video to the channel a week guys, and we're really trying to hit that 1,000 subscriber mark so we can start earning on these videos, so we can start giving back more to the community, as well as buying more content or products for content guys, so you guys can see more product reviews as well as have other content for you guys. So make sure you guys smash that subscribe button, like the video. Let me know in the comments guys what pressure washer you guys like. This pressure washer was $400 from Home Depot. It really, for the price point guys, it's really strong. 3,300 PSI is a lot of PSI. It does have that soap function. I honestly think that just the degreaser I was using, I should have probably let sit on there a little longer to degrease everything. But besides that, the 4-sprayer nozzle options, they also have other attachments for this pressure washer, including a concrete and driveway attachment that you guys would see in pressure washing videos. I don't do a lot of pressure washing. I really just bought this for cleaning up the mower, cleaning up the trailer, other things like that, just to keep the equipment up to shape guys. But if you guys are trying to buy a pressure washer just for that stuff, I think it would be a fantastic pressure washer without having to spend a very high premium. And the gas option makes it so you don't have to have an electric power source. I would imagine that the electric options consume a lot of electricity, so you probably honestly pay less in gas than you would electricity. But the pressure washer itself guys, I actually really enjoyed it, and I hope you guys enjoy this review as well as any other content that we have on the channel as well. Alrighty guys, so here's that final results on this RYOBI 3300 PSI pressure washer. You know, for the money, it's really not that bad. I mean, it has as much pressure as you can hope for cleaning things off. I think that the degreaser really didn't do that great a job in my opinion, but it did really get the bulk of everything off. There's a lot of dirt that's just been caked on there for a while, so that's kind of still sitting there. But for the most part, it really cleaned everything up, guys. The best it really did was clean up underneath the deck. That was kind of the biggest thing that it really did for us. So if you guys are looking for a pressure washer just to kind of clean up your mowers, trailers, any other items for your lawn care business, guys, I really think this RYOBI gas powered pressure washer will do you guys good. If you guys enjoyed this review, make sure you guys like the video, subscribe to the channel. Check out the other videos on the channel as well, guys. This thing is an absolute beast of a pressure washer. As you guys can get a final last look down, it does come with the 4 nozzles. The white is kind of the main pressure washing nozzle you will use, and the blue is for the soap dispenser. But this is the final last look down of this pressure washer, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video.